Okay, so the final amenity I wanted you to see is an important one. So this is the rooftop terrace. This is technically the 7th floor, and this is a fun floor. So it's a very, very top floor. There's plenty of space to have a great time up here. You can grill. There's a grilling station over there. This is more seating, and this is covered. And so we're going to explore a little bit more over here. There's a lot more seating too, with cushions and things like that. So sectional and 2 extra seats. There's more seats over here, and then more seats over here. So there's a lot. It's a big area, and this all looks great. Now, the cool part beyond that is look at these views. Man, awesome. Okay, so this is great because this is giving you exactly what I was talking about as far as we were down in our first video right down there, and we walked to the street over here. But here you can see what I'm all talking about. So this is all uptown, and then right across the street is downtown. So this is just a terrific location. That's actually the arts district, by the way, right over there. That's where companies like KPMG is located there. Deloitte is located near there. So if you were to work over there and had to go in the office sometimes, well, you couldn't be closer. It's a great location. So anyway, that's downtown. This is Woodall Rogers. If you see it in the distance over there, that's Clyde Warren at the very, very top over there with the greenery. And then, y'all, this is Uptown. And this is the little neighborhood that we're in. But then just right over there, just kind of on the other side, a few minutes walking, you're on McKinney Avenue. So I love this rooftop. This is fantastic. It's got great views, and this will give you an awesome idea. Hey, they've even got a kind of an explorer telescope there. Oh, that's awesome. So I hope you see this is a great location. It's in a great area, and I think it would just make an awesome, great first home for those coming to Dallas to really get to know other young professionals and get to know this area. Just fantastic views. Okay, so we've got one more video. We're going to be downstairs and then we're done. So let's get to it.